Hey guys, Nicole here. I'm going to be rearranging my antique booth today, and I thought I would just give you guys kind of a time lapse of my process and rearranging and redecorating. My booth is a little disheveled right now because I've had a few sales. I've already taken some stuff off the walls, and I thought I was just going to throw in some new items, but really I need to be rearranging more than I had planned. So I thought I would show you guys that, kind of show you some different choices I make. I'm going to be kind of pushing some colors together so there's a better color story happening. And I just hope this kind of gives you some inspiration in your own antique booth or in your own home. I hope you enjoy this. Here we go. I wanted to add, I do this antique booth with my mom. She does a lot of the furniture, even though I do some pieces of furniture, but since I'm home with my boys, I don't get around to it quite as much as she does. But I do make all of the windows in here and the signs that you see. I even painted and distressed those shutters and added the wreaths on there. So a lot of the more crafty things are things I'm making. And like I said, a lot of the furniture is mostly my mom. A few of the pieces are mine. And then we also sell small antique pieces and some new items as well. So in our store, we're a mixture of antiques and home decor, which I really, really like. So we can really just kind of bring in whatever we want and create a look that people will come in here and just feel inspired by. Even if they don't purchase anything, at least they enjoy coming in and seeing what we've been working on. So that's why I really enjoy this store. I really like our booth. I hope you enjoyed this video and just kind of my thought process as I'm trying to redecorate everything. I just made these today and I love how they turned out. They're just like an old white, actually old clear jar that I painted the inside white, even though I wish I would have spray painted the outside white because that would have been a lot easier. And then I just wrapped the top with some rope. It actually has a wire inside, so that made it really easy to work with. And then I got this little flower sprig from Michael's, and I'm in March of 2020, so they just had these out for spring, and they were super cheap, like a couple dollars, because they were on sale. I just think they look really cute. Another new item I brought in today are these antique hooks on these old pieces of like trim or molding. And when I bought them, they were like a really shiny black, and I tried to distress them and like a purple came through. So instead of distressing them, I just repainted them matte black, so they're a little bit more modern than that really shiny black, which can just grow really dated really fast. So I like these a lot. Okay guys, the booth is all done for now. It's not like an amazing shape, but it looks a lot better than when I came in, and we have a big tent sale next Friday where the booth will just get completely torn up, so I'm not too worried about it right now, but I'm really happy with the changes that I made, and I'll post again probably for the tent sale, so that'll be really exciting, and we'll have a bunch of new pieces in after that. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Please like and subscribe if you like these antique booth renovations. I hope to see you again soon. Thank you guys so much. I'm about to close out the video now with some shots of the final look. Enjoy!